Hey, what up guys, I'm here with a unboxing of this Razer Deathstalker, which is a smaller brother to the Deathstalker Ultimate, which is arguably one of the best keyboards for gaming. This is also a pretty good keyboard for gaming. Excuse me for my voice, I am a bit sick. So yeah, this is a smaller brother to the Deathstalker Ultimate, but it is cheaper. I believe this one retails for $80 and it will do just fine for me. I'm not very huge necessarily on gaming. I do game, but I'm not huge on it. So, okay, if I can get this out. Okay, so we've got a box in a box. I'll just zoom out just so that you guys see everything on the table. So just go over this box. There are a lot of features. I do not know most of them as of right now, but I will be, of course, sure to learn everything about this keyboard for my review. Okay, very nice packaging. I really like Razer products, their design, their box design. This is a bit blocking the light, but never mind that. So here is the keyboard. Well, I'll just set it aside for now. This would usually be boring, but with Razer, this part is actually pretty interesting what they put in here. If I can get this out. Razer stickers, I do like those. Just seems to be a manual explaining how to use it. For gamers, by gamers. I am in Canada, so it might just be in English and French. That's why there's two of them. Some more just simpler stuff in here. And a lot of booklets. This is actually very nice. The Razer also includes with their products like a thank you for buying this type of card, so you get that. Okay, and now to the reason why we are here today, and it is this keyboard. Okay, the cable. Not very exciting in that area, but okay. And here it is. It is very nice, I must say. Got this sticker on here. Very nice support for your wrist. The keyboard is backlit, chocolate style, I mean. Very nice, should be great, and again, it's a company that I love their products and they do really focus on gaming, so there should be no problems with this keyboard. I know I'm not including too much information, but I will in my review, so again, stay tuned for that. And other than that, I do thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Now to turn it on, you just simply click at the top to reveal the speaker, which will then rise up. After that's done, on the bottom of it you will see LED lights appearing. Now as cool as these do look, they also have a function to them, because they also serve as battery indicators. When the battery is charged, you will see them light up in blue. If the battery goes below 10%, they will light up in red. And when you plug them in to charge them, it will also flash in blue to indicate that it is charging, and when it is charged, it will just stay blue.